To connect over Parsec, first you need to download Parsec. Then you need to create an account. Make sure to verify your email. To join over Parsec, click the link in the Discord server and click play. And then it'll say waiting to connect. So now on my computer, I need to click accept and then you'll be let in. You'll notice when you're let into Parsec that it opens in full screen and you can't see your desktop or your taskbar. There are two methods. Firstly, you can click the floating icon and then click windowed, and then it'll bring Parsec into a window. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key and it'll show your taskbar. Usually when you join, for some reason the controller doesn't connect right away, so you want to go into your taskbar tray, right-click the Parsec icon, and click Reset Gamepads. After you click that button, you want to wiggle the sticks around your controller, and you should hear it connect on the host's end. There we go. So we just heard it connect. So now the controller is actually connected to my computer. Once you've connected your controller to the host, you need to set it up in the emulator. The host will open the input settings in the emulator and will see if your controller is detected. So you can see right here the controller is detected. So once the controller is actually detected, we're ready to set it up. In order to do this, you need to press the button to the left of the orange box. If Code presses the A right now on his controller, it'll assign A to A. So to assign the whole list, you just need to press all these buttons in order. And then your controller should be set up. Some of you might be confused about what the L and R buttons mean. These are simply the buttons on the back of your controller. ZL and ZR, both of them do the same thing in Mario Kart. Alright, let's go over the mechanics of this game. Press A to go forwards. Use the control stick to turn left and right. Let's go over drifting. So the drift button is the right bumper, and that makes you do a little hop. So if you land after the hop while turning, you'll see that your tires start smoking, and eventually sparks start coming out of them, and you'll get a boost when you let go of the drift button. You have to hold it the whole time you're drifting. See, I let go, and I got a boost. When you go off a jump, if you press the drift button, you'll get a boost as well. Let's go over using items. When you run into a question mark box, you'll get an item in the upper left. You can see it's sort of like a lottery, and the way you use the item is by pressing the left trigger. So you can see that throws the item. Every single road surface has a different traction value. So you can see right now we're on a road with lots of rain. So that means this road is pretty slippery. So as I'm drifting, it means I'm gonna go out a lot more. You can see I'm gonna run into this wall. But on the same map, on the same surface, you can see this area is dry. While I'm drifting, I am able to turn much faster. This is because the dry track has more friction than the wet track. So you always need to pay attention to what surface you are driving on. So you can see the lower left, it shows me how many coins I have. The more coins I have, the faster I go. If I have 10 coins, I'm going to be going significantly faster than with 0.